Hello, this is Ashish and you are watching Born Again. And today we are going to talk about affirmations. How to use positive affirmation, how to use affirmations effectively. Why affirmations works for someone, some people or don't work for some people. We are going to discuss this thoroughly today. Most of us know already what is affirmation. Affirmation is a sentence that we take and speak it repeatedly, that we can believe it and then we can manifest it. But anything that you speak but not mean, don't believe what you are speaking, is useless, is worthless for you. But the thing is, anything that you speak many times, anything that you speak several times, you will end up believing it. So affirmation, the basic foundation of affirmation working on your life is the repetition. Firstly, first time, second time or third time you are not believing that. You can take a sentence like I am rich. So when you speaking the first time, the second time or the third time, maybe first 10 times, you are not believing that you are rich. You are saying I am rich, but it is getting nowhere. But if you are speaking it every day for 10 or 15 minutes, for 2, 3, 4, 7 days, 10 days, it will absorb by you, and you end up with believing it. You end up in believing it. So it will get a place in your life. But the thing is, you believe it, you continuously say it, but once you reach, once you start to see that is it coming, is it came, my richness is came or not, or you don't like the effort for every day for 10 to 15 minutes to write or say this. In any way, if you are not satisfied with this work, you are not feeling good in this affirmation work, not working for you. It will get you nowhere. It will bring you more worse and worse things, because your words don't hear, the universe don't hear your words. The universe hears what you mean. The universe, the law of attraction, traces your vibration, traces your feelings, how you are feeling, how you are vibrating. That is the thing that law of attraction every time traces. So if you are doing anything, that does not matter. But if you are vibrating positively, you are vibrating in feeling good mood, in feeling good emotion, you are in a vibration that is going to bring you that good thing, that good experiences for your life. But no matter what you are doing, even the affirmations that you are saying repeatedly that you are rich, but this affirmation not going to make you rich, because not that this affirmation is not workable thing, but this is the reason that you are not feeling good in the process of it. And in the process, if you are vibrating in the opposite way, in the not so good feeling way, in the not good feeling emotions, you can be certain that you are vibrating on a vibration that is far different from your desires, from your wanted parts of every subject, from your money part, from your money subject, from very far from your money subject. That is absence of money, what you are vibrating right now. And this is what your emotions is telling you. This is what you are getting guidance from your inner self, from your greater part, from your pure positive energy part, that you are not doing a thing that is moving you toward your desires. So no matter what you are doing, your action does not matter, because your action, no one seeing your actions. Everyone, the universe, the law of attraction, only tracing your vibration, your core meaning, what you are meaning on that work, on that action. So your action does not matter. How you are feeling, how you are vibrating is the matter. So affirmation is workable or affirmation is not workable, this is not the thing. How you are feeling when you doing that affirmation, saying that affirmation, is the main thing. And if you can if you can say stay stable in your good feeling emotion, in your satisfactory emotion, when you are doing that affirmation, when you are speaking that affirmation must going to bring you that richness, that happiness in your life. Because not for the affirmation, because you are vibrating on a feeling good vibration. And if you are doing affirmation but not feeling good, you are feeling frustrated with this effort and anything, you are not going to attract your richness. You are going to attract more frustrated things, more irritated things, more unwanted things in your life. So how to use affirmation positively, how to use affirmation effectively? The way is, you must feel good in the process of it. When you are affirming, maybe you are saying it, maybe you are writing it, maybe you are thinking about it, but whenever you are affirming, you have to monitor your emotion and find out that you are feeling good, at least contentment, at least satisfaction. And if you are not feeling good, if you are frustrated, if you are angry, that affirmation not going to work for your life. It only bring you more and more frustrated experience for your life.